Oh my god. Look at that. That's like the freaking goal right there, bro.
What's up, Robbie?
What's going on here?
Bro, just patch up the old hole.
Hey, so I try to challenge myself not to use GPS when I'm come here,
Well, what happened? You got lost?
but I'm like going to like 3 intersections. But when I decided to use the GPS, I'm like two houses away.
Oh man, my house not that hard, bro. Shit, I don't even need GPS. I still can find your ass.
Where you living in San Jose all your life? What you talking about?
Man. Yeah, I mean, I take bus everywhere. When I was a kid, I take bus everywhere.
I'm not really good at like remembering like places, so I had to use GPS all the time. Look, if there's a time that I have my phone off and I don't have an option to like put it on charge it or like anything like that, I'll be lost. I'll be like a lost puppy.
How you doing, Robbie? Doing building this every day, and then you have to build on your day off.
It's fun though.
It's fun.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Wait, so this way, right?
Mhm. You want to experience that again, right, Robbie?
Yeah.
How many video ago that you didn't start it?
Which one?
This long taking over the video, and Robbie's over there. He about dip. Yeah. Right now I'm working on my car. Pretty much, just do some maintenance wise. You're gonna be here, stuck with me. So, yep, I'm just gonna put everything back together. See you guys in a bit. So I'm finished with my car except for East guy. Just came back from what?
Depot.
Home Depot.
Yup.
What do you get this time, bro?
What? I got somebody else vlogging for me?
Got to, bruh.
So I was actually longest trying to practice to vlog too, like me.
Hey man, just do it for fun. So my car about to be done, and I just gotta turn it back on.
What sticker is that?
Modded War.
Modded World?
Yeah, easy get sponsor, bro. Like
Really?
what? No, it's 0% discount if you try buy shit from them. Yeah.
0% discount?
Yeah.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, now we're back at it again. How's everything, guys?
Pretty good, man.
Oh
We're
man.
going somewhere. Can you imagine if I didn't go here?
I know, man.
We will struggle so bad.
bro.
So well, what I did is like I applied what I learned for myself, like what I did for my front splitter and for my front lip. So it's like a bolt, a washer, and then under it's the same. Pretty smart, huh?
Yes, sir.
Watch your fingers.
Now you just make the owner do the work.
You already know what to do.
That's good.
I just learned.
Yeah. It's finished. Joseph's front lip. What do you think of that install?
It was pain in the ass, man.
Yeah.
It was great. It looks great.
Thanks to you guys. Thanks to Bobby.
Welcome.
Thanks to Long. Bobby. Is that your name?
My name is Bobby.
What's your name? Hey, you call me Francis, man.
Oh, so now we're even.
We're even now. Hey, what's your name again?
Robbie.
Robbie. Call him Bobby. This is a long man.
Well, what do
You say, you say Robbie, it sounds like
Yeah.
you're saying Bobby.
I'm sick.
You're Asian, man.
Let me clean this off. Let me clean that off.
Look at